Rockefeller's got some wisdom for you. John D Rockefeller, the man who built a fortune from scratch, has a few golden nuggets for aspiring entrepreneurs. Lesson 1. Save before you spend. Rockefeller famously said, "Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving, sir." It's simple. Pay yourself first. Next, lesson 2. Invest in yourself. Rockefeller always emphasized continuous self-improvement. Whether it's reading, taking courses, or networking, invest in your growth. Lesson 3. Diversify your income. Rockefeller didn't just rely on oil, he invested in various industries. Today that means don't put all your eggs in one basket. Explore different revenue streams. Lesson 4. Be disciplined. Rockefeller was known for his relentless discipline. Success doesn't come overnight. Stick to your plan, manage your time wisely, and keep pushing forward. Finally, lesson 5. Give back. Philanthropy was a huge part of Rockefeller's life. He believed that wealth should be used to make the world a better place. So as you grow your wealth, don't forget to give back to your community. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Take these lessons to heart, and who knows, you might just be the next Rockefeller in the making. Follow for more entrepreneurial tips and start your journey to financial freedom today.